As a nonprofit research institute of Underwriters Laboratories, Chemical Insights is on the forefront of researching emerging chemical safety threats facing people today and developing solutions for reducing these risks for the protection of human health. Over 7 million people die annually from toxic indoor and outdoor air pollution, and more than 90% of our children are exposed to daily levels of air pollution exceeding recommended levels. At Chemical Insights, we are working to change that by combining the best minds with rigorous research to understand sources of pollution and how to reduce human exposure. Chemical Insights has unique exposure chambers that allow us to evaluate sources of pollution, how people are exposed, and at what level.
The ENDS work with Chemical Insights, and ENDS is an acronym that stands for Electronic Nicotine Delivery Systems. Looks like a set of experiments we do with many different types of devices. And we do a set of experiments where we use a machine to activate the device instead of, in place of a human. And the machine will generate puffs. We have a set protocol for the number of puffs we do. We create puffs, we collect the sample from those puffs at different age points, and then we analyze those samples for some of the physical and chemical characteristics of the emissions from the ENDS devices, as well as some of the toxicological characteristics. So delivering nicotine to a person in this way also is delivering things that we know to be toxic to a human at the same time.
At the Center for Toxicology and Human Health, our goal is to empower our stakeholders with actionable data. We are focused on generating human exposure data using our unique real-time exposure chambers and analytical measurement capabilities for aerosols and chemicals associated with consumer product usage. Key to our research is the utilization of robust 2D and 3D in vitro model systems. These in vitro systems help us simulate and identify critical events and responses to exposures that may impact cellular viability, growth, and transformation, which will be characterized using high-throughput toxicity assays. Additionally, the use of cutting-edge instrumentation will be key to our success. Finally, our program is expanding to include human assessments that will focus on evaluating chemical exposure and potential biological outcomes in certain groups of consumers.
At Chemical Insights, we believe in the basic human right to breathe air that is free of harmful chemical and particle pollution. We will remain passionate and committed to expanding our scientific staff, measurement capabilities, and research facilities. This will allow us to take a leadership role in improving the air we breathe, extending lives, and helping consumers make better decisions for healthy living.